Hi, I'm Eddie the bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com, here to demonstrate how to make a Cosmopolitan Martini. First, take your shaker, add some ice. Now this takes 1.5 ounces of vodka and a 1/2 ounce of triple sec. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have free pour. I suggest using a jigger if you're not comfortable free pouring yet. Then I do a splash of lime juice. You can also use sweet and sour and cranberry juice. Just a splash. Really depends on the size of your martini glass too. Once you get comfortable with the size of your martini glasses, if they're really big, you might want to do a little bit more cranberry, a little more sour. Shake it up. You want to be nice and cold. And pour it into your glass. Should have a little froth. Should some ice crystals in there. Don't waste any. And you can use a lime wheel or a lime wedge. We use a lime wheel. And there you go. That's the Cosmopolitan Martini. Again, I'm Eddie the bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com. If you're interested in apparel like this, head over to bartendertees.com. We have a full line of bartender t-shirts, hats, sweatshirts, tank tops, and hoodies. Also accessories. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.